सब साथ देंगे तो होगा काम।
कांग्रेस के
हमारा अपनी राय क्या हो सकती है, हाउस चलाने की जिम्मेदारी। ये अफसोस की बात है, चेयरमैन ने खुद भी कल हमें कुछ कहा था, वी कांट ब्लेम द चेयरमैन, हमें अपना कॉन्डक्ट पे हमें खुद जांच करनी चाहिए। बेहतर कि हम किसी और के बारे में कुछ ना कहें। भारी पड़े हल्का पड़े क्या बात करें क्या बोले, नॉट मच वी कैन से।
इसीलिए तो रहता
What our opinion is, we know within ourselves. But it is not for us to wrongfully influence anyone by saying what we want first. Being in the ruling, it is our collective responsibility to get a genuine, fair opinion of everyone. So it's not for us to spell out our stand and then tell people that you agree or disagree. We can't do that. I don't think the two are the same. No, I don't think you can compare the two issues. I don't think the two issues are the same. FDI is a completely different economic issue that impacts on the national fiscal situation, and this is an emotive issue which will impact on a different level. So I don't think we should mix up the two issues and say that you should have the same yardstick. No, FDI ke keh rahe the. And reservation. You can't say that they both are the same and you can apply the same yardstick. 1 second. Yes, we need the constitution. We have to make a constitutional amendment. That is precisely what we are working on. We can't randomly announce our leanings and then say the rest will fall into line. We can't. So that needs to be sorted out. It's far more complex than what we think.
In Lok Sabha, you had suspected Telangana MPs for some time because they were creating consultations. Will you follow the same for Samajwadi Party members in Rajasthan?
I can't take a decision on that. It's the presiding officer who has to see. No. It is entirely for the presiding officer to do. We can only take liberties to do what we want with our members. But we can't direct the chair to say that he or she must do what we think is right or wrong. So that's not fair. We should leave that to the dignity of the chair. I don't think so. There are some very important bills that need to be passed, and I'm sure members and respective colleagues will understand that. It impacts on one of the largest states, and they should have the opportunity to say what they want. But I'm sure they'll appreciate our problems also, where we need to get some of the very important bills through and get Parliament business back on track.
लेकिन आज सवेरे जो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने जवाब दिया गया कि खाली 4 पार्टी को ऐसा कैबिनेट में प्रस्ताव आया है पास किया गया, इसको क्या माना जाए, चुनावी लॉलीपॉप है या फिर बाकी में सरकार चाहती है?
नहीं, ये चुनाव की लॉलीपॉप कुछ नहीं होती है। हमने अपना इरादा बता दिए थे, उन्होंने कुछ और कह दिए हैं, तो इन मुद्दों को लेकर विभिन्न अभिप्राय आ जाते हैं। सब देखा जाएगा, We will examine it. Literal translation.
Ma'am, what is stopping the government from taking up the case of Captain Saurabh Kalia, martyr, who was tortured and killed by Pakistani army? He, along with 5 other soldiers, were tortured and killed. Now, this has not been included in the Home Ministry agenda also. Don't you think it has to be taken out?
I don't think we should. There is no compromise in us looking after our heroes and our martyrs. There will be never be a compromise on that issue. How the Home Ministry goes about it or the government goes about it is a different thing. Just because it's not in the agenda doesn't mean it's not addressed. Because there's several issues that need to be wrapped up before we come out and say something in the public domain. So I think we should respect that procedure, wait for a bit and then speak about it. There is no question of compromising on the honor and the regard and respect that we have for our martyrs. Anything else? Yeah? Haji. I don't think so. I think she's agitated about a certain issue and she just wants speed and clarity on that. I don't think she implies anything other than that. There's no innuendo in this. Who? No, we are not soft. But we don't have a reputation of being tough. We are more democratic in our dealings. Yeah, thank you.